Hello everyone, my name is Digvijay Deshmukh. Today's my topic is non-technical topic, that is the story. Today's my story name is The Greedy Dog, and it is for the kids and the elders too. Once upon a time, in the small village, there lived the stray dog. The dog had an home wandered from the street to the street for the searching the food, and he was always hungry because of was never the finding food was never the easy for him. And also the one morning, the dog woke up and felt the extremely hungry. He was very hungry, and his tummy growled loudly, and he knew that he needed something to eat soon and faster. The dog walked around the village and snapping here and there, hoping to find the locklets and the food. Uh, and he went to the marketplace. Also means went to the marketplace and at the shops in the market and just opened, and he shops were lying around. He searched near the bakery and all the things, the bakery shoots, and him away from it, and feeling tired and big. After that, means he feeling tired and big, that the dog continued the walking, and after the while, he reached to the butcher shop. The smell of the fresh meat and the filled with the air, and the dog mouth was started watering. He picked uh, he picked inside and noticed that the juicy bony laying outside the shop of the door. Oh wow, this look very delicious, that the dog said. The dog thought exactly that. He quickly grabbed the bone in his mouth and run away from any of the good that he anyone can't stop him. The dog was very overjoyed because he got the bone. Then this is the best meal I have ever found, that the dog thinks. He thought that at he had trotted along that the road. He kept imagining how tasty the bone would. Once he chewed it, he thought, and soon the dog reaches to the quiet river bank, uh, near the river, and there was a small wooden bridge that he crossed over the river. Um, I will I will go to the he thought that I will go to the other side of the river and enjoy my bone of the piece. And the dog decided that he snapped out the bridge, and suddenly what happened? The uh, the bone fell into the river, and while crossing the bridge, the dog glanced down into the calm and clear water below, and he surprised that saw another dog into the river, and the uh, dog had the bone in his mouth below. But what happened? The dog didn't know what is there, and what other the dog live over there, and it was the just reflection of the water. Since the river was still and clear, the reflection looks directly real to the dog. That's why the dog bone looked like even the bigger than the mine. The greedy dog thought that uh, if I break loud, if I bark loudly, so the other the dog scare him and away. Uh, if I can take his bone too. Without thinking it twice, the greedy dog thought to open his mouth and break. Woof woof. Uh, but soon he opened the mouth. His bone was slapped into the tumbled down into the river and disappeared beneath. The water with the loud plop. The dog gasped. He shocked. The dog got shocked. Oh no! my bone uh, my bone got into the river, and he started crying. uh, he laid over the bridge and hoping to see his bone again, and but it was gone. It was gone. The bone was gone. The water repelled, and his reflection had vanished too. Feeling sad and disappointed, the dog realized that what happened. If only had to been happy with what I had. He thought sadly. My greedy made me to lose everything. And the thing is that the moral of the story is the be happy be happy with what you have, and greedy can make you the lose everything. Thank you.